Okay, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure VPN site-to-site between a Cisco router and Mikrotik. Okay, before I show you how to configure, I want to explain about this diagram. Okay, this diagram we talks about the VPN site-to-site between the Cisco router and Mikrotik. Okay, this is the Cisco router for the head office or main office. Okay, this is a Mikrotik router for the brand. Okay, I think all of you know already about the VPN. What is VPN and why we use the VPN for what? Okay, VPN is mean Visual Private Network. We use VPN for encrypt or data across or go through the internet for the encrypt. Okay, example, I have the Cisco router in the head office and all data, okay, go all data sent to the brand and brand sent to the data across the internet. It will be encrypted when we apply the VPN. Okay, this is the benefit for the enable the VPN, so the hacker or attacker cannot read the data across the internet because we apply the VPN encrypt all data across the internet. This is the benefit that we have to configure VPN for security, for the encrypt the data, for the encrypt the network traffic across from the head office to the brand to the head office. Okay, this is the benefit that we have to configure VPN. Okay, if you want to clear about this lab, I will show you in the GNS3 for the real lab and configure and show all of you how to configure. Okay, and then I'm go to the GNS3 for the show you how to configure and enable VPN between the Cisco router and Mikrotik brand. Okay, this is a lab that show you the same this diagram. Okay, for the head office we use the Cisco router, and for the brand we use the Mikrotik router. Okay, the same this diagram in the GNS3 that I'm designed already. Okay, for the step 1, I will to show you how to assign IP and in the router HQ Cisco and assign IP on the Mikrotik also and set the interface name for the Mikrotik. Okay, and then I'm set the title of in this video in the GNS3. Okay, this is the title that we have to know about the VPN site-to-site between the Cisco router and Mikrotik. Okay, for the step 1, I'm going to set IP on the Cisco router. Okay, set IP on Cisco router. Okay, I'm going to the Cisco router HQ. Okay, this is the Cisco router. I'm logging already. Okay, and then I'm go to this interface for the set IP. Okay, it's IP address. Okay, then no shot. Okay, and then I'm go to this interface for this interface for the WAN interface. Okay, IP at 10.10.10.1. Okay, and then I'm no shot. Okay, for the HQ, I'm already to assign IP or set IP on interface Ethernet 0 and interface Ethernet 0/1 already. Okay, and then I'm going to the step 2. Okay, set interface name and assign IP. Okay, and set IP on Mikrotik. router and brand. Okay, this is for the step 2 that we have to do. Okay, and then I'm go to the Mikrotik router. Okay, and then I'm logged in from the Windows Client 2. I'm going to find the Windows Client 2. Okay, for the Windows Client 1 not start. Okay, already I'm going to the client window SP2 for the brand. I'm logged into the Mikrotik router. Okay, and then I'm go to the Winbox. Okay, now just to see the MAC address finder finding. Okay, I'm going to close and open again for the Winbox. Okay, don't see. Okay, and then I'm close this PC and I'm connect to the PC. Okay, and then delete this PC and get the new PC. Okay, and then I'm delete for the Mikrotik also. Okay, and get the new Mikrotik for this one. Okay, and I'm connect again. Okay. Okay, and get the new PC. Sorry, we cannot use topology in the channel picture. Okay. Okay, I'm start again for this PC. Okay, Mikrotik, I'm start again. Okay, and then I'm go to the PC 0, PC2. Okay, connect to Mikrotik again. Okay, I'm going to Winbox. So again, okay, MC. Okay, connect. Okay. Okay, and then I'm reset the new configuration. Okay, this is the IP that set the manual configure 192.168.1.1.10. Okay, I'm already to reset. I'm going to the window again. Well, for connect to the Mikrotik. Okay, and then I'm set the interface name. I'm going to the interface. Okay, for interface 2, I'm change to the LAN. Okay, and for the one, I'm change to the WAN. Okay, and then go to the IP, assign IP to the interface LAN and WAN. Okay, I'm at interface 1. Okay, 34, and go to the interface LAN. Okay, that you see this. This is IP for the interface LAN. Okay, okay, and then add more for the interface WAN. Okay, 24 interface WAN. Okay, applies. Okay, for this interface. Okay, for the assign IP on the Cisco router and on the Mikrotik router, I'm already to assign. Okay, and then I'm testing from the Windows Client 1 ping to the this gateway. Okay, I'm going to the Windows SP Client 1 ping to CD. Okay, it's already to apply. Okay, and then I'm go to the Windows Client SP2 ping to the gateway of the Mikrotik router. Okay, close this one, and then CMD, ping. Okay, no already. Okay, and then we go to the step 3 for configure routing. Okay, configure routing. Okay, we use the RIP. Okay, protocol. Okay, we use the RIP for the routing, configure on the XU, and for the brand configure on the Mikrotik. Also we use the RIP protocol, routing protocol. Okay, and then I'm go to the configure RIP on the Cisco router. Okay, type the command router RIP. Okay, RIP. Okay, and then I will type networks around this router. Okay, this is the network. Okay, this is the network that around this router AQ 0. Okay, it's network, and then set the version 2 for the RIP and no auto summary. Okay, already for the configure RIP on the Cisco router, and then I'm go to the multi router configure RIP also. Go to this is the multi router, and then I'm go to the routing and RIP. Okay, and in the first add. Okay, select all the interface and refill for the version 2 and send version 2 also. Okay, apply. Okay, and then for the network, advertise network around the multi router. Okay, this network. Okay, this network and this network. Please apply. Okay, one more. Please apply. Okay, I'm already to configure it, and then you can check the routing table for the RIP. okay, that you see in the Mikrotik. This is the routing table that we know each other for the this network and this network, for this network and this network. Okay, so you can testing ping from the brand to the HU this IP. Okay, and then I'm on the PC on the brand and I'm ping to the this IP from the HU. Okay, okay, already to know. And then I'm go to the PC at the HU. I'm ping to the brand. Okay, already to know. Okay, for the routing is working right now. Okay, before you configure VPN, you have to make sure the connection from the HU and brand know each other, and you make sure to configure routing is working. Okay, for the step 3, we already to configure on the Cisco router and Mikrotik also. And then we go to the step 4, is very important. Okay, step 4 is very important for configure VPN site to site. Okay, configure VPN on Cisco router. Đừng này ghê đất sai cam nó người trình. Okay, I'm now ready to for the step 4, and we go into the configure VPN side to side on the HU. Okay, and then I'm go to the router HU. Okay, this is the configuration that I'm prepared already for the configure VPN side to side on the HU router. This is the configure. This is a command that you have to configure on the Cisco. Okay, just follow my preparation of this command. You just type follow on this command. Okay, I'm go to the Cisco router and type from this command. Okay, for the step 1, you have to configure ISA-KMP policy to the establish the IKE. IKE is mean Internet Key Exchange Tunnel. Okay, the first you have to create an enable crypto ISA-KMP. Okay, enable ISA-KMP. Okay, and then crypto key ISA-KMP policy. Okay, and then this is the number of the policy. Okay, you can type between 1 to 10,000. Okay, I'm set at 20. Okay, and then you have to enable authentication phrase key. Okay, encryption. Okay, for encryption, has 3 dash AES and dash. Okay, one of them you can choose which one that you want to choose. Okay, for me I'm choose AES. Okay, and then AES you have 128, 192 and 1256. Okay, for bit. Okay, for me I'm choose the 256. Okay, 256 bit 256. Okay, okay, for the hash. Okay, for the hash the same, you can choose define SAR. Okay, SAR 256. Okay, SAR 384. Okay, SAR 512. Okay, you can choose which one that one of them. Okay, I'm choose the SAR. Okay, and for the group. Okay, for the group is very important. That you have to define which group that you want to define. Okay, for the group 1. Okay, this means for the group 1 for the okay group 1 and group 14, group 15. Okay, group 16, group 19, okay, group 2, okay, this is a group that you have to put. Okay, for the group 1, 2, 6, 8, 7, 6, 8, okay, this is the bit that you show in the Cisco router. And for the group in the Mikrotik, no show the group but show the number of the bit. Okay, in the Mikrotik, not show the number of the group but show the bit. Okay. When you choose the example, when you choose the group 2, you have to find the number of the bit in the Mikrotik. Okay, the same. When you see the bit of the Mikrotik 1024, it means the group 2. Okay. Example, I'm choose the group 2. For the Mikrotik, I need to find this number bit. Okay, 1024. Okay, and then I'm going to visit. Okay, and then we go down to configure and create the key. Okay, crypto, ISAKMP and key. Okay, I'm set the key. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then address. Okay, for address you have to add the peer of the AQ. Okay, this is the router at AQ. Peer of the AQ is the public IP of the brand. Example. Okay, this is the router of AQ. This is the peer, number of peer. Okay, this is the number of peer or IP of public IP of the Mikrotik. Okay, when I'm configure on the Cisco router, peer of the Cisco router is a public IP of the brand. Okay, and you can define. Okay, this is the peer. Okay, when you go to configure VPN at the Mikrotik, okay, peer of the Mikrotik is the public IP of the AQ. Okay. Okay, then you can enter. Okay, when you set the key already, you have to define IPsec transform set. Okay, so IPsec transform set. Okay, about the transform set, you can set the name of the transform set. This is the name of the transform set. Okay, you can put the name that you want to put. Okay, example, I'm put the myself the same, my preparation command. Again, and then ASP. Okay, for the ASP, you have before we use the AES, you have to use the AES the same. Okay, AES. Okay, and then ASP we use the SAR. Okay, before we enable encryption for the AES and hash for the SAR. Okay, that you choose the same configuration before. Okay, I'm so go through. Okay, that you see encryption AES and hash you choose SAR. Okay, and for the define transform set you have to choose the same AES and SAR. Okay, and then you go to the create assembly. You have to create assembly. Okay, I'm create assembly. Extended assemblies permit. Okay, permit from this network to this network. Okay, network from the AQ to the brand network. Okay, allow from this network access to this network. Okay, so IP. Okay, and then mark hard mask. Okay, to this network at the brand. Then enter. Okay, for the create assemblies, we already. Okay, we go to the step 4, create the crypto map. Okay, we just follow this command. Okay, create a crypto map. Okay, crypto map. Okay, and then for this map you can put the name. This is the name of the map. Okay, for example, I'm choose my map. Okay, where IPsec 17 and IPsec Isaac KMP. Okay, and then set the peer. Okay, peer for the okay. This is the peer. Okay, peer for the XU is the public IP address. Okay, one. Okay, and then you can enter. Okay. Okay, and then set the transform set. Call the transform set name. Okay, my set. Okay, and then call the list number. Okay, and then exit. Okay, and then you go to step 5, apply the crypto map. Okay, you go to this interface. Okay, for the interface is the interface when. Okay, and then you can type the last command crypto map my map. Okay, crypto map is my map, the name that we said before. Okay, and then you can see the exact KMP is on. Okay, okay, for the router EQ we already to configure, and then you can go to the Mikrotik router for configure IPsec or VPN Site the same EQ router. Okay, and then I'm go to the client Windows HP1 and ping to the. Before we not yet to apply the VPN, we just do routing. Okay, our connection is working, but you apply VPN only on the XU router, connection is disabled. Okay, example I'm testing ping. Okay, okay. Request timeout because we enable VPN only on the Cisco router. We not yet to the apply VPN on the brand like Mikrotik. So connection is request timeout. Again, then I'm trying to ping again from the Windows HP at the brand, ping to the PC at the router, PC at the AQ. Okay, we not yet to apply because we not yet to apply VPN on the brand. Okay, then I'm go to the brand, apply VPN. Okay, okay, this is the Mikrotik that we have to enable the VPN. Again, then I'm go to the IP. Okay, IPsec. Okay, the first you have to create the proposal. This by default, this is the by default of the proposal. For me, I'm no need use the default. I'm create a new proposal. Okay, this is the name. You can set the name of the proposal. Okay, you can tick the sign because you use the sign. Okay, no 3 dash. We use the AES 256. Okay, and then you can apply. Okay. Okay, and then you can create the peer. Okay, and the peer. Okay, this is the peer of the when we configure on the when we configure on the Mikrotik router, peer of the Mikrotik router, the public of IP of the Cisco router. Okay, so you type this IP. Okay, and then you set the secret or password. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then hash algorithm you use SAR. Okay, encryption because at the Cisco router we use the SAR. For the Mikrotik you have to use SAR also. Okay, and encryption algorithm you use AES 256. Okay, okay, and then the A group that I'm explained you before. At the Cisco router, you use the group 2. Group 2 is mean the at the Mikrotik router is 10 and 24. Okay, 24. Okay, and then apply. Okay. Okay, and then you go to the create a policy, add a policy. Okay, for the source address, this is the source address. IP for LAN and HQ 24. Okay, go to destination this network 24, and then you go to the action. Okay, and click the tunnel. Okay, so address is mean the public IP of the brand. Okay, and destination for the public IP at the HQ. Okay. Okay, and then you can proposal, you select the proposal one. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay, and then you can go to the IP firewall. Okay, again you can go to NAT, add. Okay, and so address you can apply the IP from the LAN and the brand 24, IP from the LAN of the HQ 24. Okay, so apply. Okay, okay. Okay, for the configure VPN at the HQ already, so you can check the connection from the brand to the HQ and HQ to the brand. Okay, then you see, okay, connection is reply before connection is time out, so you can see the connection is reply when we configure or enable VPN already from the HQ and brand. So VPN is working right now. Okay, and then I'm going to verify the VPN. Okay, I'm going to the step 5. I'm going to verify the VPN. Okay, verify VPN. Okay, the first I'm go to the router HQ and verify the VPN. I want to show you VPN working or not, so you have to verify. Okay, you can type the command for the verify the VPN. You can show crypto IPsec. Okay, and then when you type this command, you will to see of the state. When you see the QM idle, it means the VPN view configure VPN is working. Okay, and then you can see the status active. It means the VPN is working right now. This is the command that you have to verify VPN working or not. Okay, on the Cisco router. Okay, you can type the command crypto IPsec. When you see the state QM idle and the status active, it means the VPN is working right now. Okay, this is the command that you see in the Cisco router, and then I'm so on the Mikrotik router. Okay, okay. On a Mikrotik, when you want to see the VPN working or not, you go to the win box. Okay, and then you can upload this one. Okay, you go to the IPsec. Okay, and then you go to the install that. Okay, and then you can see the source and destination and authentication and encryption. When you see like this, it means the you configure VPN is right. You configure VPN is working right now. When you see the count, okay, current bit is working. When you see, okay, so configure VPN and enable VPN is working. When you say like this, okay. If you don't see the source address or destination authentication or encrypt, you don't see like this, it means you configure VPN not working. Okay, it's wrong for configure the VPN. Okay, when you see like this, it means the VPN is working right now. Okay, this is the you can check the VPN working or not for the status. Okay. Okay, for the configure VPN is working right now. Okay. Okay, and in this video I'm finished for the configure VPN side to side between the Cisco router and Mikrotik. Okay, and then this is the command that I'm prepare for the configure on the Cisco router. You can follow my configuration on the Cisco router. Okay, this is a command that I'm prepare already. Okay, this is a command verify. So Isaac MP so crypto Isaac MP policy. Okay, so crypto map. Okay, you can try so this command, or you can want to see the VPN working or not, you can try this command. So Isaac MP so crypto Isaac MP okay, for this video finished. Okay, then for help me to like, comment, subscribe and share my video also. Okay, thank you for watching my video.